Hi, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to check out AI image generation in your AAC app, like TouchChat, LAMP Words for Life, or Unity AAC. AI image generation lets you create custom symbols or images while editing a button. Before we start, make sure your iPad is compatible with and you've enabled Apple Intelligence on your iPad. Use the link in the description to learn more about Apple Intelligence and how to turn it on your device. Okay, now, start by selecting Menu. Then, select Settings. Scroll to AI Features. And toggle on Enable Features. Read the message in the pop-up. Select Yes to display the options. Toggle on AI image generation. Then select the blue check mark. Go to the page where you want to add a button with a custom image. For this example, we're going to add Patches the cat to the Pets page. Select Menu, then Edit Page. Choose the button you want to edit and select Create New Button. In the Edit window, you'll add the label as you usually would. Then scroll down and select Generate Image. The AI image generation window will open. Enter a description of the image you want in the text field. A few tips. Keep descriptors brief and separate them by selecting Enter or the plus sign. This makes it easier to adjust the description later without needing to rewrite everything. Also, something to keep in mind. If you use the name of a copyrighted image, like Darth Vader or Star Wars, image options won't appear, so you may need to get creative with your descriptions. For this tutorial, Patches is a happy orange cat with a pink nose, so we'll type in orange cat, pink nose, and smiling. Choose an image style from the options, animated, illustration, sketch, or all styles. Then select how many images you want AI to generate. We will stick to the default choices and select Generate. If the generated images aren't what you had in mind, you can adjust the description or image style and ask AI to generate more options. When you find one you like, select it. Then select Save. Then you'll be prompted to name it. This isn't required, and you'll be able to filter by AI-generated images to find your custom images later. So it's totally up to you. It's whatever you prefer. Then select Save. Save again. And then select Done. And there you have it. You're all set. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like and subscribe for more AAC tips. See you next time.